Alright, so the last thing we're going to do is order the sides, and it's pretty similar to ordering angles. The shortest side is always going to be opposite the smallest angle, and then the longest side is always opposite the largest angle. So it's important that we make sure we have all three angles in a triangle so we can really determine which one's the smallest and the largest. So if we look at our example here, we have two angles in the triangle, and this isn't going to help us, and this is where mistakes come in when students just try to use these two numbers. 59 is the largest now, but how do we know if it's the largest of all three? 53 is the smallest now, but we don't know if that's the smallest of all three. So your first step, and the thing that I recommend, is if you have a triangle with two angles given, you need to always find the third. So remember, all the angles of a triangle add up to 180. So we can just subtract the 59 and 53 from 180 and get the measure of angle D. So when we do that, angle D is 68 degrees. So now we can identify the small, medium, large. So 53 is going to be the small. 59 is now the medium. And 68 is the large. So now be careful. We want to order the sides from greatest to least. And so remember, the sides of a triangle are segments, and so we name them with two letters. So here, we want to go greatest to least, so make sure remember the order. So we need the biggest one first. So we're going to go across from the 68, and that's side EF. So you can do segment EF, or you could have done FE. Either one works. Okay, so that's the longest. All right, so then across from the middle angle will be the middle side, and so go across from there. That's side DF, or segment DF. And then across from the smallest angle at 53 degrees, we go across, and that's segment DE, or side DE. Okay, so now we put the sides of these triangle in order from greatest to least. Now, I don't know the lengths of these sides. All I know is what order they'll go into. All right, and that's it.